Welcome friends to SPN Consultancy. Thank you everybody for your lovely likes, shares and subscribes. Thank you so much. Today our topic will be on the trichonas. What are trichonas and how they are formed and what are the uses of it and how it is used at the time of predictions. So before that, anybody new to my channel, do like, share and subscribe it. And don't forget to press the icon bell so that any video uploaded by me will be notified to you. So let's start. Let me share my screen with you all. So the first trikona is Dharm Trikona. Dharm Trikona. Those are 1, 5, 9. After Dharm Trikona, it is Earth Trikona. And that is 2, 6 and 10. After Earth Trikona, next is Kam Trikona. That is 3, 7 and 11. After Kam Trikona, there will be Moksha Trikona. And that is 4, 8 and 12. So these are the trikonas. 159 is the Dharm Trikona, 2, 6, 10 is the Arth Trikona, 3, 7, 11 is the Kam Trikona, and 4, 8, 12 is the Moksha Trikona. So if any planet is of all these trikonas, then we can say that if it is in Dharm Trikona, then we can say that the native will be inclined towards dharma or will be a religious person. And if it is in the Artha Trikona, then we can say that this person will be more inclined towards his career, towards how to earn money, towards the finances. And if it is in Kam Trikona, then he will be inclined towards fulfilling his desires and all. And if it is in Moksha Trikona, then we can predict that he will be a spiritual person. So these are the 4 trikonas. Let me explain you with this diagram. So here, this is 1. I will be taking from here. It is 1. So 159, as I mentioned here, 159. So 159. So this is Dharm Trikona. Then after that, the next Trikona is 2, 6, 10. So 2, 6, 10. So we'll start from here. 2, 6 and 10. So this is Artha Trikona. So next will be Kam Trikona. So next will be Kam Trikona, that is 3, 7, 11. So it will be coming from 3, 7 and 11. So this will be the Kam Trikona. And the fourth one, which will be Moksha Trikona. So let me change the color once again. Let me take the green one, so it will be easier for you. So that Moksha Trikona will be 4, 8, 12. So here it is 4, 4, 8 and 12. So this is the Moksha Trikona. So this is very important and very useful. I hope it is clear to everybody. Do note it down or take the screenshot. It's very handy and useful. And if anybody wants any consultation from me, then you can call me on my number, which is given in the description. That will be a paid consultation. So if anybody interested can call me or mail me and take the appointment. And if this video is useful to you, then do share it, like it and subscribe it. And if you have any comments regarding this, you can message me in the comment box so that I can reply back to you. Do wait for my next video and watch it. That also will be an informative one. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Jai Shri Ram.